Welcome to this tutorial on saving changes in WordPress without publishing, a method that lets you edit live posts and pages while keeping your updates hidden from public view until you're ready. Today we will walk through each step carefully so you can manage your content confidently and securely. To begin, open your web browser and go directly to WordPress. Once you land on the main page of your site, look toward the top right corner. There you will see the login option, which is your gateway to accessing your WordPress dashboard. Clicking on this login button initiates the process for entering your account. After you click on login, a convenient option appears that lets you sign in using your Google account. This option is labeled as Continue with Google. When you select it, a list of your available Google accounts will be displayed. Simply choose the account you wish to use, and WordPress will securely log you in using your existing Google credentials. This streamlined process not only saves you time, but also enhances security by reducing the need to remember multiple passwords. Once you have successfully logged in, navigate over to the Pages section within your WordPress dashboard. This area is where you can see all of your website's pages listed for you to edit. As you click into the Pages area, you should look for the particular page you want to modify. Once you find it, click on the edit link associated with that page. This action will open the page editor, presenting you with a variety of content options and settings. Within the page editing interface, direct your attention to the right-hand panel. Here you will find a section labeled Page that contains various options related to the page's properties. Click on this Page tab to reveal additional settings. Among these settings, one of the most important is the status option. The status section indicates whether your page is published, scheduled, or in draft mode. This is crucial because you want to ensure that your changes are saved without being immediately visible on your live website. In the status area, you will notice a selection that allows you to choose draft. Selecting draft is key to saving your changes internally while preventing them from going live. This is especially useful when you are still refining your content or when you need to work on updates without alerting your visitors. Once you have chosen draft, the final confirmation comes with one more action. Look toward the top right corner of your editor screen and click the Save button. Hitting Save commits your changes to the page while keeping the modifications as a draft. This step ensures that every adjustment you have made is stored safely, but without disrupting the live version of your site. In this way, you can review and perfect your updates at your own pace before eventually switching them over to published content when you are satisfied. This detailed walkthrough was originally created by Gerix Paul de Lima, and it is designed to provide a clear, step-by-step method for editing live posts and pages in WordPress without immediate publication. Following these instructions will allow you to maintain full control over your website's content and avoid any unintended changes being seen by your audience prematurely. Enjoy the freedom this method provides, as it offers flexibility for continuous improvements while keeping your current site live and engaging.